really see it as a support role. These guys call on us when they need help, when they get overwhelmed, when there's too much happening in the state for them to be able to fulfill their obligations to the community. And that's an opportunity for us to step up and help them serve the communities that we're all here to serve. Best word, it can be overwhelming to see some of the stuff that you see, and the devastation that comes. And people don't understand. They talk about fires and they talk about floods and that kind of stuff, but it's really hard to gain a real perspective of the devastation that follows an event like that. And so by the time we get on site, people are exhausted and they're tired, and they really do need our help. And like I said, it's humbling. That's the best way I can put it, because I'm honored to be a part of it, and I hope that I get to do this for a while longer.